Hi, I'm Stephanie Monge, registered yoga teacher. In this edition of 2-Minute Tips, we're talking about self-talk, the conversations that we have with ourselves in our own head that are pretty much ongoing. These conversations may not seem significant, but what we tell ourselves on the inside can have a huge impact on the rest of our lives. There's this quote I really love from Henry Ford, and it's something along the lines of, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're usually right. The things that we tell ourselves on the inside are either building us up and helping us to feel confident and able, or they're tearing us down and we're making ourselves feel like we're not good enough or that we can't do something. A lot of times, if you take a moment and you examine the things that you're saying to yourself, there are things that you maybe wouldn't even feel comfortable saying to other people. Oftentimes, I find that we are our own harshest critics. A few years ago, I realized this habit that I had when something would happen that was embarrassing, or I felt like I'd messed something up, and I would just say, "Oh, I'm so stupid." And I would laugh it off when I was doing it like I was making a joke, but in reality, I was spending lots of time telling myself I was stupid, when in reality, I don't think I'm stupid. So I really decided that that wasn't a helpful habit, and so I started to shift to say I'm so silly when things like that would happen, because I thought, okay, well, I'm not stupid, but I am silly, so maybe that makes more sense. But in the last few weeks, I was realizing that when I come into those, quote unquote, embarrassing situations, or those times before where I felt the need to kind of compensate or like judge myself or make some kind of commentary on it, that I don't even feel a need to say that I'm silly anymore, because I'm just more understanding of the fact that we all make mistakes. We all have moments where we can feel embarrassed, but that's just part of being human. It doesn't need any sort of commentary or judgment from my part. And that just came from that small shift of examining, what am I telling myself? So I encourage you to take a moment and really think about the things that you say to yourselves. Would you feel comfortable saying that to someone else? And then to think about, are you using your self-talk to give yourself more confidence and give yourself better self-esteem and understanding that you are able to conquer complex challenges and come up with creative solutions? Or are you telling yourself that you may as well just give up because you're not good enough anyway? So I encourage you to introduce mindfulness into your self-talk and see how making this small shift can have a really big impact on the rest of your life. Namaste.